mo ang ipalit niya ice cream, ate? Charcoal. You like charcoal? Ilan na nakatayo si mukha ang charcoal? Si Sarpik ang gusto kay ka naman blueberry or either to rainbow. Is it yummy? You try.
Ay kung kauno ni mo, wag man siya. Kuan nga taste ka ni powder.
You like the taste?
Ma, is it true they put real charcoal in this?
Huh?
They put real charcoal in this?
I don't know if they put real charcoal. Let's go back to the jewelry store. You like? Bakit mong gusto? Hindi maigo. Wala pa sila, no? Which one you like? You like something? There. You like pearl? Pearl thing?
Mint chocolate chip.
Oh, mint chocolate chip. This one is mint. And that one is charcoal. You can have this one after you finish that one. You cut your lips.
Dilaw isa ma, dilaw isa. Tastes like Mentos.
A bit. It's not worst. It's creamy and it's minty. Yeah, we can buy Krispy Kreme later because we won. Thank you, Dallas.
Chocolate.
What tastes better? The 65 ice cream or the 35?
It depends on the flavor, not the price.
So, not the price. Because the prices depend on the cone. Kung naka-sugar cone ka, na 65. But kung regular cone, 35.
Sugar cone?
That's a sugar cone. Anya, kung sa may lami?
Mentos.
Mentol. Mentol or charcoal?
Mentos.
Ay, lang ice cream din okay. It's not that sweet.
How that's sweet.
Oh, it's creamy. It's more like creamy than the sweet one. It's really good. Which one you like? That one better than the other one? The mint one. What is that?
Pikot. Pikot pwede.
Is it real?
Naku idea, ma.
What is your idea?
Kanay ko anak ko nas nagpapilit. Alpay-pay sa may butang diri. Pikat na lang. There are pikat na lola.
Which one painting you like? There's so many paintings here.
Favorite this one.
Why?
Simple. And this one, this is abstract. chat. This is out of door. Out of dating experience.
What car you like? The Lamborghini or the Ferrari? Which?
Siyempre, BMW.
It's none of the above. You like BMW?
Kaya kung pangutanon ko ninyo, kung gusto kong sakyanan, sunod kumastil na ko ang sakyanan nga kung gusto. BMW, ah?
Ay, nangita man mi diri. Oh, kung sa'yo pangita ni mo, te. Time is gold.
Time is good. Ma. Kaya pa idea to save time.
What?
Huwag kang orasan, kaning watch lang gani.
What happened? What you going to do with the watch?
Ibutan sa alkansiya.
To save the watch. Saving the time. You put the ones inside the coin bank to save the time.
Yes.
Ah, kate! Ah, makaningagi.